folks. I'd like to welcome everyone out today for this dedication of the Clinchfield Railroad 1111 caboose. And first I'd like to thank the following people. First, for the donation of the caboose, the Clinchfield Heritage Railroad Museum. We have with us Martha Irwin, Alf Peoples, Steve Irwin, Eddie Williams, Jim Stagner, and others that I might have missed. If you know when you want to. David Bird, okay. Also, on the moving of the caboose, that was quite an ordeal. And we'd like to thank Tyler Lynch especially, because Tyler facilitated the moving. He did the welding, rounded up the rails, the gravel, over $3,000 worth of materials to make this thing happen. So Tyler, thank you very much. Also, the town of Unicoi Police Department helped in the escort, is that correct? And the Irwin Police Department and the Unicoi Fire Department. We'd like to thank the Crane Company, Owen Crane. We'd like to thank Danny Coffey and Tony Street from the town of Unicoi. Also Ashley Shelton, Tricia Bennett for helping out. When it comes down to the restoration part of it, this has been a drawn out thing. We'd like to thank Rocky Hollifield and his crew from the Craggy Mountain Line in North Carolina. And I don't think Rocky made it here today. I think they had an excursion or something. We'd also like to thank Red's Vinyl Decals in Irwin, who gave us a big discount on the decals on this thing. We'd like to thank Mike Tilley and Ray Petit. Mike is with the Jonesboro Railroad Museum, and Ray Petit is a railroad historian. Ray's given us a lot of information on this caboose. This is a special caboose because it actually is the last caboose on the Clinchfield Railroad. I'd like to also thank Doug Hobson, Jeff Linville, Kathy Boland, and Wanda Radford who helped out, and all the staff down at Town Hall. This is a beautiful railroad artifact which represents our rich railroad heritage in Unicoi and surrounding area. The mighty Clinchfield Railroad, a treasure to be enjoyed for years to come by many. Railroad enthusiasts from far and wide will come to see this caboose. 1111, the last caboose on the Clinchfield Railroad, and one of the last cabooses ever. A treasure and a tribute to all of the people who worked there on the railroad and their families. Because as we all know, the railroad played a huge role in the building of our nation and our community. This is our heritage. This is what helped us to make us.
And I've been burning up the track like fire to see me through. Pick the right train, I could be rolling back to you. Ticket man, when you see my face, well, you sure don't need to tell me this is the right train. It's the right train.